It is widely used in the power supply system. Three-phase AC circuit. Compared with single-phase alternating current, three-phase AC circuit has the advantages of large output power, simple structure, low cost, stable operation, and wire savings. And three-phase motors are simple in structure, low in price, and good performance. It is the main power equipment in industrial and agricultural production. Therefore, we need to learn the relevant knowledge of three-phase AC circuits. In this class, we will learn the characteristics of three-phase AC. What's difference between sinusoidal alternating current we have learned before. The with three-phase alternating current. Three-phase alternating current is a combination of three symmetrical sinusoidal alternating current. It is generated by a three-phase generator. Three groups of symmetrical windings. Each winding, together with its external circuit, is called a phase. Their combination is called a three-phase system. It is often supplied in three-phase 3-wire and three-phase 4-wire systems. And star connection. 1. The basic concept of three-phase AC. Let's learn the basic concepts of three-phase AC first. Its magnitude and direction, voltage or current, that changes with time, is called alternating current. Three-phase alternating current is composed of three equal amplitude and phase difference of 120 degrees. The power system. Currently, three-phase alternating current is produced and distributed in China. Symmetrical three-phase AC with equal maximum values, with the same frequency and a phase difference of 120 degrees. The connection method of three-phase AC power supply. Next, let's learn the connection method of three-phase AC power. Three-phase AC is generated by a three-phase generator. The generator is mainly composed of stator and rotor. The three-phase stator winding are symmetrically embedded in the stator core slots. The rotor winding generates a magnetic field when energized. The prime mover drives the rotor to rotate around the axis, forming a rotating magnetic field in the air gap. The stator windings are cut by the rotating magnetic field. Induces symmetrical three-phase electromotive force. Third, the characteristics of three-phase AC. Three-phase AC power supply system, in terms of power generation, transmission, and distribution, has many incomparable advantages over single-phase power supply, mainly manifested in the following aspects. The active power generated by three-phase motors is constant, so the motor is stable. Second, the generation and transmission of three-phase AC is economical. Third, compared with single-phase load, it is much smaller in volume with the same capacity. Due to the above advantages, three-phase power supply has been widely used. In a three-phase circuit, loads have two connection methods, star and triangle. Next, we will learn them, one by one. Fourth, the new type of three-phase power connection. Let's learn about the new connection of three-phase power supply. Heart-shaped connection is to connect the ends of the three-phase power supply together. Then the ends and the first end are drawn out separately to form a connection method. Among them, the three-phase power supply's terminals are drawn out, commonly known as live wire. The conductor from the common point of the tail is called neutral. The neutral wire is commonly called the zero wire. The voltage between the live wire and the neutral wire is equal to the three-phase induced voltage of the generator winding, is called the phase voltage. The voltage between live wires is called line voltage. When the three-phase power supply is star-connected, three-phase voltages and line voltages are obviously symmetrical. When the three-phase power supply winding is star-connected, can provide two voltages to the load. This power supply system is called three-phase 4-wire system. The characteristics of the new connection method. Three-phase power supply winding. The greatest advantage of connecting in this way is that it can provide two different voltages to the load. And the neutral line voltage is 1.732 times the induced voltage of a winding. In the three-phase four-wire system, the neutral line is not allowed to install fuses and switches. Usually, the neutral wire is grounded to make it the same as the ground potential. To ensure safety, therefore, the phase voltage is numerically equal to the potential of the first end of each winding. As mentioned earlier, the three-phase AC power supply has a phase difference of 120 degrees. Therefore, 1/2 of UAB equals UA cosine 30 degrees. It can be derived that UAB equals the square root of 3U. That is, 1.732 times. Finally, we learn the triangular connection method of three-phase power supply. Let's learn the triangular connection of three-phase power supply. When three-phase power is connected in triangle, the three-phase power is connected end to end, forming a closed loop. At the three connection points of the power supply, 3 live wires are drawn from each connection point. When the power supply winding is connected in triangle, the line voltage is equal to the three-phase induced voltage of the generator. Obviously, when the generator winding is connected in triangle, can only provide one voltage to the load. It should be noted that when the generator's three-phase winding is connected in triangle, the ends are not allowed to be reversed. Otherwise, a large current will be caused in the triangle loop, causing overheating and burning of the current. When the three-phase power winding is connected in triangle, the line voltage is equal to the induced voltage of the power supply. This power supply system is called three-phase, three-wire system. Through the above courses, have you already had a preliminary understanding of In this class, we learned the characteristics of three-phase AC. Please think more after class. And three-phase four-wire system. And three-phase three-wire power supply. After class, please try how to use a voltmeter to measure and correctly identify the live and neutral wires.